going on, everybody? It's your boy Randall D, Tech Geek RLD, back again with another video, cooking with Tech Geek RLD. But anyways, so we're gonna take a look at this Ninja Foodi 4-in-1 indoor grill. Think about that, y'all. Indoor grill. Now, they say we can't go outside. They say we can't go to the park, and not to mention if you have an apartment. I mean, what you gonna do if you want some grilled food? You can't go to no restaurant. You don't feel safe ordering Uber Eats and things of that nature. So I mean, hey, get this Ninja Foodi 4-in-1 indoor grill. So we're gonna take a look at this item, and I'm gonna give y'all my, how I feel about it and how the food tastes and things like that. So stay tuned. But first, let's do an unboxing of it. All right, so let's see here. First thing first, gotta have your unboxing knife. So let me unbox my knife real quick. Unboxing knife. Nice little steak boxing knife. So let's get this tape cut off. Got that side. Let's go over here. Let's get this side. Get these flaps open. Pretty large box. Took up the whole table. First is the booklets. Don't need that. Put that down. Typical booklets, pamphlets. Don't need that at the moment. Next, you got the grill plate. Now, this is probably the star of the show right here. This grill plate is something serious. This is where when that steak meets this grill, that steak starts sizzling, ladies and gentlemen. So it's a nice, firm, solid plate made of hard metal. And as you can see, it has the little indents in it for the meat to sit on. And it has these two handles, so when it's in the grill, you can lift it up by the handles. Nice, firm, solid grill plate. So next, inside the box, you get a hard bristle brush. So of course, you would use this brush to clean the utensils, clean the grill plate, get the grease and all that good stuff off of the grill plate and off of the equipment. You want to keep it nice and clean, because when the grill gets hot or the item gets hot, that's when it will start to smoke. So you definitely need this. Keep your equipment clean. Next, inside the box, you got the grill unit itself, but we're going to come back to that. The rest of the items are inside of that grill, but let's get this box off the table so we can continue the unboxing experience. Next on the list, you got the air fryer plate. Now, this is what you'll use when you want to air crisp items such as fries, tater tots, anything you want to use the air fryer section for. And there's an indent right here, so you can place it into the unit itself, and that's where your food items go, in the middle where the holes are at. Next in the list is like a drip plate. So this is where the liquid and everything falls down to. And there's an indent on this too, so you can't put it in wrong. And there's an indent inside the grill. But this is the drip plate. So this is what holds all the dripping fat and liquid and grease when it drips off the food. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Put that to the back. Get this cardboard out the way. Typical stuff. So what's next on the list? Let's see here. You also got this element protection. So this prevents grease and things from popping into the element at the top. So of course at the top is the grilling, heating element. And with this here, you can cook popcorn seeds and things of that nature, so the grease and stuff don't damage the element. So, and that's about it as far as the items, as far as the Ninja grill is concerned. But the grill itself is nice and solid. Here's like an overview of it, what it looks like on the bottom. Nice and solid, well put together. Alright, so we're gonna place this grill plate in because we finna get to grilling, y'all. This is an indoor grill, ladies and gentlemen. Now the grill plate, there is this indent at the top that I mentioned earlier, and here's an indent in the plate in the bottom. So it just slides right into place. After that, you're good to go and you're ready to get started. Let's do it. Let's get it cooking, y'all. Let's get it. Alright, so next we'll hit the start button, and then we're gonna press this grill button. Now every time you tap grill, it goes from low, medium to high. So we're gonna use the high mark, because I'm trying to cook some burgers for the first time. We're gonna try that out. And as you can see, there's like a progress bar. Now this is the preheat stage. Now this is a process where the grill is warming up all the parts on the inside, so that when you place the meat in, the grill is pre-warmed up. You don't want to place food into a grill or into an oven that's just dead cold. There's always a preheat stage to the oven, grills, and maybe not the microwave. But anyways, so this is the preheat stage. We can wait for that progress bar to fill up, and as you can see, it's on the third notch already. And once that bar gets full, we'll be ready to add the food. So let's do it. Now once the preheat stage is complete, on the screen, on a little small LED screen here, it tells you to add food. So it's pretty straightforward. So you open the lid, add the food, and then you're kind of good to go from there. At that point, you'll close the lid and the timer will start the duration that you had set to cook the food. So it's that simple, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's check on it. So this is the first stage. So halfway into cooking, you want to flip them. Look at them grill marks though. Woo! Woo! Look at that. Look at the grill. This is indoors. Close the lid back up, and now we're gonna cook the other side of the burgers for the remaining of the time. So you're gonna do half and half of your duration. So let's check on them now. Now it says end. So now you know the timer ended. Blah blah blah. Woo! Look at that. Look at them. Get the grill marks on both sides. Ready to eat, ladies and gentlemen. So those are just some basic burgers. You can cook anything from hot dogs. Like, look at that. Woo! Just like outside. You can cook sausages, brats, however you want to call them. Look at that. Woo! Popcorn. Throw the popcorn seeds in there. This thing cooks everything, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that popcorn. Better than the theaters. I'm done going to Regal. I don't got to go back to Regal no damn more. Look at that. Woo! Add some topping to it. Look. Woo! This grill cooks everything. Add my little seasoned salt. Look at that. But last but not least though, this grill gets down on the steaks, y'all. Look at that. Look at that New York strip steak. Ugh, look at it. Indoors, y'all. Grilling indoors. I don't gotta go outside. Look at that. You know, I like to taste the grill, so mine's is well done. You know, I'm not about that blood life. Look at that though. Well done. New York steak indoors in my own home in my apartment. Look at that. Woo, man, I can eat that right now. Dang, as I do the voiceover for this video. Look at that, looking fresh. Hey, perfect steak, y'all. Perfect. This grill cooks indoor steaks perfectly, y'all. So that wraps up this video. This is the Ninja Foodi 4-in-1 indoor grill. Now, the price of this grill though is $199.99. So you're looking at $200. But it is well worth it, ladies and gentlemen. If you get this grill, you will not need your oven no more. You ain't gonna need no microwave. You ain't gonna need your air fryer. It does air frying. This thing does bacon. It does air frying. It does roasting. It does grilling. This thing does everything you need to do. You can cook chicken, bird, cow, bear, fish, popcorn, vegetables, fries. You can cook anything in this Ninja grill. Like, look. No, I can't say it no more. This is the look. If we're gonna be stuck indoors, you need this. Only time you need to go out the house is to get your steak and come back home. So it is what it is. It's your boy Randall D, Tech Geek RLD. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and y'all know my slogan. They gonna learn today. All right, y'all.